it's Gabby from Big Review TV. I am on the boulevard in Strathfield at The Cutting Edge, which is an Indian hair and beauty salon. They apparently do everything here. Let's go see. Well, I was just treated like an absolute princess. Ruby and the team gave me a beautiful henna tattoo and I have brand new eyebrows. They are your one-stop store for everything beauty and hair. Make sure you come down to Strathfield, check out The Cutting Edge. This is Gabby from Big Review TV. See you later.